I was kind of blown away by the autonomy community, honestly. Like, I haven't met a person in autonomy that I haven't liked yet. Like, honestly, everybody is so cool. When we have the integration exercises, like every interview, somebody's telling you, something you didn't know, or something that can help you improve your life, or, something better about food or homeschooling. So it's just like, the community is like a wealth of, knowledge on everything, and everybody is like, I guess the community becomes to be really important to everybody, so they take it really seriously, and everybody treats each other with respect. And like, even when there's disagreements, like when feathers get ruffled, like we'll have communication exercises over it and stuff, which is like amazing.
I had no clue about how great the community was. I really didn't know. And let's just say that I've been pleasantly surprised that the resources amongst students and graduates, and the networking and the supportive culture is blowing me away. You can reach out, you can DM someone on Circle and ask them a question pertaining, because they may have some experience in an area that you're interested in learning more about, and they'll get back to you and help you or schedule a meeting with you. I haven't even scratched the surface on all the resources that are part of the community. So that part is like the bonus that you don't even know about.
So for me, the community has probably been my favorite part. It's not that the lectures aren't the favorite part. It's that now post, I guess we're 6 seasons later, it's the people and the fact that we're growing and we're sharing conversations. It's just, to me, it's my favorite part. And again, like I said, it replaces all other social media for me. 95% of it. Really amazing for me. Prior to COVID, I was moving from one state to another. So my literal community was changing, and I just had my interests, like I'm bringing my interests with me wherever I go. And I was already leading virtual writing groups. So I had a sense of, virtual community. But it wasn't until I popped into the autonomy community, I was excited and elated, like, here are so many people that are critical thinkers. Here are so many people who believe in freedom, and, that this is our inalienable right, that, here are so many people who want to be excellent to each other. And it was totally refreshing, right? And then it was like in the midst of COVID, like, I don't know how it was for you. For me, it was a lot of, wow, I need to not be on social media. There's a lot of vitriol. Wow, I need to not interact with these people because there's a lot of vitriol. And so it was really a breath of fresh air.
My goal going into Autonomy was to get introduced to the community. I feel very easygoing, able to speak my mind to whatever it might be to people in the community. I don't think I've met anybody in this group that just hasn't blown me away with their ability to speak to whatever they're interested in and be fully knowledgeable about it. They are accepting and open of ideas. Everybody from every walk of life that you can think of, it's there, but we're all just kind of learning together. It's a cool thing. It is a community that is unique, and it values every individual, and everybody that's there, that's learning, that's growing together, they all benefit from it. It's a bunch of individuals working together. I've been able to be exposed to people from all over the world, and I love to travel. Like I'll go anywhere and meet people, but it's cool to be able to do it from my office on a Saturday morning. Hey, what's going on in Denmark? and just and get that sense of other places in the world and what's going on elsewhere. We're gaining skills through autonomy to be able to build our own communities, help each other out, not live in that scarcity mindset, and just know that we have the abilities to get through whatever hardships might come about. Those ideas are given, or not given, but they're really talked about in autonomy in a different way. You can grow and learn and help others and be useful to each other in a situation where, we're not dependent on the government to kind of bail us out of anything. You just got to realize you got to be there for yourself and in your community to serve whatever master or do whatever the system or the school system or even your employer tells you. You don't have to do that. Like, you can do other things. And I think autonomy really helps bring that out.